Problem 39. Prove that the limit as x goes to 1 of 4 minus 2x equals 2. Recall the definition of limit. That is, the limit as x goes to c of f of x equals L. This means, given any positive number epsilon, we can find a positive number delta so that if the distance from x to c is less than delta, then the distance from f of x to L is less than epsilon. Now, so our goal on this problem, what we need is this last statement right here. We need f of x minus L to be less than epsilon. So plugging our particular function in, our function is 4 minus 2x. Our limit is 2. We need this to be less than epsilon. We can now simplify this, combining the 4 and the negative 2 together. So 2 minus 2x less than epsilon. I now want to divide both sides of this by 2 because I'm trying to reconstitute this statement about x minus c less than delta. So we'll divide everything by 2. So we have 1 minus x less than epsilon over 2. Now the absolute value of 1 minus x is the same as the absolute value of x minus 1 less than epsilon over 2. So since this statement right here looks very similar to this part of the definition, x minus c less than delta, that says epsilon over 2 is the delta we're looking for, epsilon over 2. So now that we've found that, let's actually go and look at the proof. So the proof, we'll start out with the definition. Given any positive number epsilon, we'll let delta equal this thing that we just computed over here. Let this equal epsilon over 2. So then, if x minus c is less than delta, we're now working through this first part of the definition. That says that then x minus, our c in this case is 1, is less than, and our delta is epsilon over 2. And remember, what we want on this is we eventually want to get the statement right here. F of x minus L is less than epsilon. And this statement has epsilon by itself. So we'll multiply both sides by 2, which gives us 2x minus 2 is less than epsilon. Now we need to rework this so it looks like the original function. So keep in mind that this is the same thing as 2 minus 2x is less than epsilon. I'm trying to get this negative 2x here. Now this is the same thing. This 2 is the same thing as 4, subtract 2. And I can leave this negative 2x in here, less than epsilon. And this is now the function f of x. The 2 was our limit, less than epsilon, and this proves what we were trying to show.